Want to exercise but don't know where to start? Let's take a look at some simple aerobic and strength exercises to get you moving. When it comes to the different types of exercise we should be doing, we can break it up into two categories: aerobic and strength exercises. Aerobic training is activity that gets you huffing and puffing, essentially putting your lungs into action and increasing your heart rate. It comes in 3 intensity levels: light, moderate, and vigorous. Light aerobic exercise may be activities like walking the dog. Moderate aerobic exercise can include hiking or riding a bike. Vigorous aerobic exercise can include running or being involved in a fast-paced sport like basketball or tennis. You can use the talk test to determine what intensity you're working at. If you can talk comfortably during exercise, you're probably performing at a light level. If you struggle to talk and have to really focus on breathing, then you would be exercising at a vigorous level. Moderate is somewhere in between, where you can hold short bursts of conversation. So how much aerobic exercise do you need? Aim for a mix of different intensities of aerobic exercise for at least half an hour each day. It's important to mix it up to keep your mind and body active. The second category is strength training, which is also known as resistance training. This is where we take the focus from our lungs and put it on our muscles. Strength training isn't bodybuilding, it's for everyone. It increases the power in our muscles, strengthens our bones, along with a number of other benefits. It also protects us as we age and improves our ability to complete day-to-day tasks like bending, lifting, and carrying. Strength training can also include traditional weights like dumbbells or kettlebells, or you can use your body as weight. I'm going to demonstrate some of my favourite bodyweight exercises that you can do anywhere. Here we have squats, lunges, push-ups, hip raises, team movement, and everybody's favourite, the plank. Over time, you want to increase the difficulty or intensity of each exercise by adding volume, time under tension, or weight. You can add volume by adding reps or sets. Start with 8 reps of each movement and increase to 12 as you progress. Instead of reps, you can also increase the number of sets, cycling through all the exercises anywhere between 2 to 5 times. Slowing down the movement will dial up time under tension, and you can add weight to make each movement more difficult.